Hey everybody, welcome back to this second video in this first part of this state spreadsheet mini project. Notice I still have my spreadsheet on my left. I still have my instructions on my right. Okay, and number 3, we're picking up right where we left off. Number 3 says you're going to go to this website to collect some information. And so here is, if I can get to it, there we go. Here is the website I need to pull up. Be patient with this website. It is kind of slow sometimes, okay, but it has some really good information about states and education data, which is what we're collecting. Okay, now I'm going to do a half screen on this again. So just to go through that procedure, I'm going to click on the tab, pull down, and I'm going to let off my mouse. Okay, that's real important. You can't do it by holding onto the tab. You have to click on the gray part right in here, and then go over to the side of your screen, not the top. Okay, that's going to go whole screen, not the corner. That's going to go quarter screen. You got to go right into the side of your screen to get half screen. Okay, and then I'm going to have that there, and then go back to my spreadsheet on the other side. Okay, the first one you're going to pull up, it links directly to Texas. Okay, and to get to other states, all you have to do is just pull down the menu at the top. When you're done collecting Texas information, pull down the menu and then switch to whatever state is next on your list. Alright, but I want to get Texas information first. So I'm going to have this up and I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to show you where some of the information is, and it'll be basically in the same spot for each state. Okay, so I'm going to go back over to my spreadsheet. I'm going to look to see what I need and then find the information and enter it in. And so the first thing I need for Texas, if I'm looking across my row here, is Texas's information. The first thing I need is number of students enrolled, and that's kind of the first thing on the page. So that's going to be 5 million, and I don't need to worry about the commas right now because I can add those in later using features from my spreadsheet. 372,806. I'm just simply using the number keypad on my keyboard to enter that information in. Now, it doesn't look real nice right now, but again, I'm going to make it look like numbers with commas and everything later on. Now, the next thing I need is number of FTE teachers, and that's just full-time teachers. And I do have to scroll down to sort of the bottom of the page to get to that information, and I can find that right there, number of full-time equivalent teachers, FTE. And I do not have to worry about the decimal. I'm just wanting the whole number. So that's 370,000. Again, don't worry about the commas. 718. Okay, not worrying about the decimal. And I can enter to go to the next slide. Or notice I can, if that's what I hit enter, if I tab, it actually goes right to this place I want it to go to. And then my last thing I need to enter is per pupil expenditures. So that is going to be, that means the average number we spend on each student, and that's going to be 9,868. Again, don't have to worry about the dollar, making it look like a dollar amount. Right now with the dollar sign and the commas and everything like that, I can do that. I'm going to do that, or I'm going to show you how to do that later in the spreadsheet itself. Okay, so now I'm done with Texas. Scroll back up to the top, pull down my menu, search for Oklahoma. Went a little too far. Click on Oklahoma. Like I said, it's a little slow, takes a minute. There we go. Going to enter information for Oklahoma. Number of students right there at the top, 694,113. And tab over to the next one, scroll down to the bottom of the page, enter the number of teachers, enter the per pupil expenditure, move on to your next state. Okay, and that's it, guys. You just have to go down through each state, get those 3 data points for each of the states, enter them into your spreadsheet, and move on. Okay, and then come back for the next video where I'm going to show you how to do some stuff with this information.